Salad tongs, the handy helpers in the kitchen. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series, where we help you expand your vocabulary while also giving you a taste of different cultures. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that's common in the kitchen: salad tongs. Whether you're at a family dinner or a fancy buffet, salad tongs are a tool you're likely to encounter. So, let's dive in and learn all about them. Salad tongs are a type of kitchen utensil used to pick up and serve salad. They consist of two arms that are joined at one end, allowing them to be pinched together to grab food. Salad tongs can be made of various materials such as plastic, metal, or wood. They are specially designed to gently handle salad leaves without causing damage, ensuring that your salad looks as good as it tastes. The concept of tongs has been around for centuries, with early versions being used for tasks like grabbing hot items. However, salad tongs are a more modern innovation. As salads became a common part of meals, the need for a tool that could serve leafy greens without squishing them became apparent. Thus, salad tongs were born, and now they are an essential item in both home kitchens and professional dining settings. Using salad tongs is all about technique. You want to make sure you're not squeezing too hard. A gentle touch is usually enough. Here's how you use them. 1. Gently slide the tongs underneath the salad. 2. Squeeze the handles together to grasp the leaves. 3. Lift and transfer the salad to your plate. Remember, it's not just about functionality. Using salad tongs properly also shows good table manners. Salad tongs come in various shapes and sizes. Some are simple and functional, while others are decorative, adding a touch of elegance to a dining table. There are even ergonomic designs, which are made to be more comfortable to hold and use, especially for people who may have difficulty with grip or hand strength. Taking care of your salad tongs is important. If they're made of metal, they should be washed and dried well to prevent rust. For wooden tongs, it's best to hand wash them to avoid warping. And for plastic tongs, while they are often dishwasher safe, they can melt if they are not heat resistant. Proper care will ensure that your tongs last a long time and stay looking great for every use. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough breakdown of what salad tongs are and how to use them. We hope you found this video informative and that you'll feel confident using salad tongs at your next meal. Remember, learning English isn't just about words. It's about understanding the culture and the everyday items that are part of our lives. Until next time, happy learning, and enjoy your salads.